Hi, Donna. Yeah, they're all going. Christopher. This is what I get for putting batteries in those things. We have a jam session. Alright, everybody, say bye.
Bye.
Donna.
Now say bye. Bye.
Well, look. Well, I can't see you, Donna. Can you come over here?
Good time.
Alright, bye.